Here's the stairs. Salem, head on up.
I like this stairs.
Yeah, the stairs are really great. They're nice and wide and safe and not too steep. So let's start over here. Nope, this is actually going to be either the boys or Ellie. Look at this window. Look at this view.
Ellie's kid has peace signs on it.
I know. Well, so this nice, big, huge bedroom for either the boys to share or for Ellie to be in. The other, no, that has nothing to do with it. The other opportunity is to turn the bedroom upstairs, the room upstairs into a bedroom. So this is the one that would either be yours or that the boys would share. And then we'll show you the space, the other option. Okay? Mike is taking measurements. You want to write this down?
I can write it down.
You will? Okay. Here, you want to take this? Thank you. I'll keep showing the kids. So Ellie, your opportunity for a bedroom is up here. If you so choose, this would all be done.
Yeah.
Okay, this would all be finished.
No.
This would all be finished. The stairs would look normal.
Yeah.
This would all be walled in. It'd be insulated and walled in with sheetrock. And this.
I choose this one.
Okay, I knew you would. This would be, and we probably would try to figure out a way to put a bathroom up here, if we can. Okay. If we can't, well, Ellie, what we'll do probably is that this will be your room, and then that space over there we might wall off and turn it into a, you know, play space or like a homework space. Probably a homework space. Would that be okay? This would be walled off. This would be a private room. Okay? What do you think? Do you like it? Are you cold? What's wrong? What? Okay, what's wrong? Is there something you're not liking? No. Okay. You're not being very enthusiastic. So you'd have two windows facing that way. You don't get to see the pond. But that's okay.
You wouldn't see it anyway. Like over it.
Right. Right. So what we'd probably do is turn this into two separate rooms. This would become like a, I would turn this into like a combined, like a shared study space for the kids. Yes, over here. Yeah. And then from that side over there would be yours, Ellie.
Yeah, but they wouldn't be up here all the time.
No. But you'd still have a separate, it'd be just like the bedrooms downstairs, separated. Okay.
You might be able to put a bathroom.
Yeah, that's what we're hoping. If we can put a little bathroom up here, that would be great. But if not, and of course, you know, Ellie, these stairs will all be fixed up. There won't be little nubs in the middle or anything like that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.